clear printer nozzles in Windows 11 without touching the printer. So sometimes some of the regular nozzles that clogs up on your printer cannot be cleaned by regular cleaning it, and in that case you might have to do it using your software from Windows, right? So in order to do this, first of all, you simply have to open up the control panel settings over here, and once you open up the control panel settings, here under hardware and sound you'll find the option called view devices and printers. Simply go to view devices and printers, and here you want to go to printers and scanners. And once you go to printers and scanners, under here add a printer scanner section, you'll be able to see all of the printer that is currently connected to your computer. So you want to make sure to select any printer that you own there, and in there you'll find printer properties. And once you go to printer properties, here you'll find a couple of options where you can go to advanced, color management, security, sharing, ports, and stuff. If you also go to change properties stuff, or maybe you go to, let's say, over here under the advanced settings, or maybe you go to other options, then from there you should be able to go to print test space or preferences, and you'll be able to clear the nozzles in that way. And that's all it takes to clear your printer nozzles without touching the printer. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.